In this video I'm going to show you how to get the microphone icon on iPhone. So basically what I'm talking about is this. If I go to the messages and I go here, and if I click at the bottom right on this microphone icon, basically everything I say will be dictated here on the screen, as you can see. So if you don't have that, here's what you need to do. So you need to go to settings. Once you're in settings, search for Siri and search, and make sure to enable Siri. So this second option, make sure it's enabled. And the reason why I want to enable it, because sometimes if you don't do this step, the microphone won't show. But of course later on you can just turn off Siri and everything will be working okay. From there, scroll down until we see messages. Here it is. And make sure that everything is turned on. As you can see that it's turned on for me. And once you have done all of these steps, close out everything, go back to whatever platform you want to use, and the microphone should appear at the bottom right. If you still don't see it, try to reset your phone or turn it on and off basically. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and until next time.